AmericanElectric Energy, we don't just create batteries, we create freedom. Introducing Tiger Shark DS5, part of our Mercury Edition. A lithium battery for those who always push further. Its charging port is optimized to protect every cycle, ensuring a longer lifespan and more energy for your journeys. With just one button, it displays the battery level, precision and simplicity at your fingertips. The discharge port, conveniently located at the back, ensures a flawless connection, designed to support you without fail when it matters most. The safety lock secures the battery, preventing disconnections, theft, and risks while ensuring stability, durability, and peace of mind. AmericanElectric Energy, power, precision, perfection.